This Roblox game is the peak of Squid Games. Here's how to install the viral Ink game using your browser or the app step by step. First, if you're using a browser, click the link given in this video description. It will take you straight to the Ink game. If you never sign up on Roblox, just go ahead and sign up with your any email. It's totally free. Now let's see on the Roblox app on your computer. Open it on your laptop, search Ink Game, and then click the one with Squid Game style, then just hit the play button. If you haven't already, make sure to log in with your email totally free on the Roblox app on your computer. If you haven't installed Roblox and waiting to install it on your PC or your laptop, tap the YouTube card above. I've got full step-by-step setup guide waiting for you. Now you are ready to survive the ultimate street games on Roblox. Try in-game today and don't forget to like and subscribe ITPK for more quick guides.